Hey everyone, welcome to this episode of Getting to Know Excel, and this one's going to be showing you how to display and hide the toolbars and work a bit with the ribbon. And I already have Excel open. Now the ribbon is this whole thing up here, including not the file, everything else. So all of these is part of the ribbon, and this has been visually different, but in principle identical ever since version 2007. It has changed slightly over the past few years, but it basically does the same job. Now, let's have a look at how to hide this and restore this, and then we'll have a look at customizing what shows and what doesn't show. And the way you hide it is you double click on any of these. So I'm in home, I'm just going to double click on home and see it's now gone. And if I double click on it again, it's back. And that's really how to hide and bring it back. Now, how to customize what's being shown up here, and that obviously drives what's being shown down here, is going to be in options, which is in file, and options, depending on your version, it might look slightly different, but it's always going to be options on the bottom left hand side. And you have to come into customize ribbon, and you see on the right hand side it's talking about the tabs, which is, if you look at what's going on, you have home, insert, so home, insert, and drawer is not here. I mean, it's here, but it's not here because it's not checked. And even within, say, home, because I have this one open, you have these sub parts, and you can just move them around, I think, or not the basic ones. But if you want to add in something, so for me, for example, developer may be relevant, and add-ins, in my case, it's not relevant because I'm not doing any add-ins. So I just click there, so developer is going to show at some point when I click OK, and I will hide add-ins. And observe how after view we are now going to have developer. And the reason why add-ins wasn't really showing is because there aren't any. So Excel, at least in this version, is smart enough to know that. So I'll just click OK and see how developer just showed up here now, and I have access to the developer tab. That's how you do it. The other thing you might want to have a look at is these four things up here, which is actually three. You have the custom toolbar, the quick access, and on default you have save, undo and redo, and you can customize it here, and you can add in some default things like new or open or email, spelling, sorting. You can move it to be below the ribbon if you want, and you can just do a more customization, which is, if you pay attention, it brings you back to almost where we were, because we were up here in customize ribbon. Now we're down here in the quick access toolbar, and you can pick something and just say add, and it will just show up there. So that's how to customize Excel to look more so to your own liking. So thanks for watching this one, and the next one's going to be recognizing good practices in navigating and using the go-to tool, which may save you time, so keep watching. Thank you.